Here I have Motorola G14, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can connect a SIM card, but you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then I suggest you to disable these switchers and tap accept and continue. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services which you can turn off if you feel like it. Tap accept. Then you can set up PIN or some other lock screen method, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then tap not now, once again. Then you should select navigation style. For me, gestures will do better. Tap next, and device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.